Hello everyone, this is Matthew from I Love Free Software TV. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Snapchat filters on video calls. You can use any Snapchat filter in video calls on Zoom, Skype, Facebook, Microsoft Teams, Hangouts, etc. Snap Camera is the app that brings Snapchat filters to PC. To do that, close all the apps that are using the webcam. Then download and install the Snap Camera app on your PC. You'll find the link in the description below. Once installed, launch the Snap Camera app. You can test the filters here. There's also a category section where you can find the filters related to it. Now let's make a video call using the Microsoft Teams to see if it works. Great, it works. You can also change the filters while you're in the middle of a video call. You can use the same method for all the other video call services. That's it guys, this is how you can use Snapchat filters on a video calls. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and remember to subscribe us for more.